If your Siemens EQ.300 does not make good milk foam, the problem can be simple. The milk nose may be dirty, or the small steam hole may be blocked. Do you see here? It's blocked completely. Okay, let's clean it and make good coffee. Today I will clean the milk nozzle and test the milk foam again. The coffee machine still makes coffee, but the milk foam is weak, watery, or almost gone. This can happen when old, dry milk stays inside the nozzle. Even if you rinse the machine after use, some milk can stay inside. First I remove the milk nozzle from the machine. Now I wash the nozzle with water. I clean inside with a small brush. Warm water and a small brush are enough in most cases. Now I clean the small steam hole. If this hole is blocked, the machine cannot mix steam and milk correctly. I clean it carefully with a wooden toothpick. And the most important part: do not push too hard. Do not use a metal needle too hard because you can damage the hole. A wooden toothpick is safer. It's cleaned. After cleaning, I put the nozzle back. Make sure it sits correctly. If the nozzle is not installed correctly, the milk foam can still be bad. It's clean now. Let's connect it. And let's try. Now let's test the machine again. Before cleaning, the milk foam was weak. After cleaning the nozzle and the steam hole, the foam should be better. Here is the result. The milk is frozen again.